Wait up!
So you've decided to come then? Thank you. I don't think we have much of a chance without your help.
Much of a chance? You mean against those two guys?
No, not those two. They're merely pawns. At the beck and call of an evil wizard.
A wizard?
Yes. Right around the time mankind began to walk upright here on Earth, an evil wizard named Bibidi lived in a distant corner of the universe. One day, Bibidi happened to create a terrifyingly powerful monster. That monster was Boo, an untenable and fearsome Majin. In a few short years, hundreds of once vibrant planets were reduced to nothing but ashes. Majin Buu's power was so great that even his creator struggled to control him. Bibidi had no other recourse but to temporarily seal Majin Buu away. I was able to use that chance to defeat Bibidi. However, I failed to realize that Bibidi had a child. His son Babidi, who was filled with just as much evil as his father.
There. You're healed, Gohan.
Wow, I feel great.
Come with me. I will tell you everything.
Can I come too? There's so much I want to know. Please?
Can you just promise me you'll run if things get dangerous?
Sure.
All right then, let's go. Majin Buu, huh? Wow. Okay. So, then, what were those Spopovich and Yamu guys doing at the tournament?
In order to break the long-held seal on Majin Buu, a large, pure energy source is needed. Those two were sent to the tournament to gather that energy. We won't be able to reach the others at this rate. We need to increase our speed.
I can't fly any faster than this!
Okay, you'd better head back then. Things are far worse than I feared.
Guess I'm gonna have to, huh? That's too bad. But I think I finally learned something. It wasn't my dad that beat Cell back then. It was you guys, right?
Well,
I knew it. I thought something was off when I heard my dad beat him. That clears things up. Good luck, Gohan! Pulverize that wizard Babidi and save the world!
right.
Don't die on me, Gohan. I want to go on a date with you when you get back.
Are you done? We need to hurry after the Supreme Kai.
Right. Sorry about that. I wonder what this Babidi guy's like. Okay, let's go meet up with my dad and the others. Great! All right, you don't see stuff of this quality every day. Huh?
Afraid not.
What?
No. What? Hi.
Afraid not.
Right.
Here I go!
This ends now! This ends now!
What?